Oh man, that car's on fire. No way, that's from a careless oil change, right? Today we're talking about something every new car owner in America should know in 2025, and something your owner's manual will never tell you. Your engine is not fully broken in from the factory, and the first 3,000 miles determine its future. Across the country, drivers are discovering the same pattern. They change their oil at 500, 1,500, and 3,000 miles. Dealers told them to wait until 10,000 miles. But the engines that receive early oil changes are the ones still running strong past 100,000 miles. So, what exactly is missing from the manual? First, new engines shed metal during break-in. These particles stay in the oil, and the filter cannot remove all of them. The only way to get them out is an early drain. Second, modern engines in 2024 to 2025, especially turbocharged direct injection engines, run hotter and generate more contamination than older engines. A 10,000-mile oil interval is designed for marketing, not longevity. Real-world data from thousands of samples shows the same thing. Engines continue breaking in past 2,000 miles, and the highest rate of wear happens early. Clean oil dramatically increases engine lives. So what should you actually do with a 2025 vehicle? Here is the schedule many experienced mechanics and engineers follow. Change oil at 500 miles to remove the heaviest break-in debris. Change it again at 1,500 miles as the engine continues seating. Change it at 3,000 miles to establish a clean baseline. After that, continue every 5,000 miles instead of 10,000. Many filtration experts also point out that an oil filter becomes more efficient as it loads up, which is why some owners do not replace the filter during the first 1 or 2 early drains. The bottom line is simple. The owner's manual gives you the minimum. The data gives you the truth. If you want your engine to last 200,000 miles or more, don't rely on the bare minimum. Use the information proven by real drivers and real testing. Thanks for watching Car Care Secrets. Subscribe for more real-world automotive science, and I'll see you in the next video.